Hello, I'm Surpreet Channa and I'm here back again. So I'm going to reveal what I eat in a day. कोई secret नहीं है, आप देख सकते हैं, कोई secret नहीं है, सब खाती हूँ मैं. But since Pinkvilla is insisting and Pinky is my favorite, let's go ahead. How can you even ask this question if I'm a blessed soul? Clearly I'm not, you can see from the face. Everything that I eat comes on my face the very next day. So supposedly, right now we are at 10 PM. If I cheat right now, any meal at 10:30. कल सुबह की शूट में कल मैं लगूंगी मोटा टमाटर. पतला टमाटर, मोटा टमाटर, मैं मोटा टमाटर लगूंगी. So there is no escape for me. Clearly no escape for me. That's a nice question. I don't know how many of y'all follow about the morning ritual. So before going off to sleep, I drink a glass of water, and as soon as I wake up, the first thing I do after checking my phone, which is a bad habit, which is also not ritual, supposed to be, I drink the glass of water which is kept overnight. I don't know why I do it, but I always do it. So the water that I drink at night, जितना मैंने पी लिया, उसको मैंने ढक दिया, and as soon as I wake up, whatever water is left, I drink that, and then of course I go ahead with my freshening up and things like that. That's the only morning ritual I follow. Night owl, clearly. I really love sleep. I can stay awake till 2:30 maximum, and if I'm partying, I have the energy, but do not wake me up. Even in my school, college days, कभी मुझे सुबह कोई बोलता ना, जो कहते हैं सुबह बहुत अच्छी पढ़ाई होती है, कुछ नहीं होती भाई. मेरी लाइफ में कभी सुबह अच्छी पढ़ाई नहीं हुई. मेरी लाइफ में पढ़ाई सिर्फ रात को अच्छी हुई है. And I've been a night person. I'm a person who loves South Indian cuisine. If you give me idli for the entire day, be it my breakfast, lunch or dinner, it can be my staple all my life. जब तक मैं मर ना जाऊँ, मुझे इतना पसंद है इडली, South Indian. But I have like a balance of breakfast. So there are days when I have poha. There are days when I have, like this morning I had aloo ka paratha because I was really craving paratha, and बिल्कुल normal आटे का, हाँ, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. So idlis, और मम्मी सूजी का कभी डोसा बना देती है. Eggs with a gluten-free bread is what I like because my sister gets it from Swiss, with butter. And of course I have my coffee with that, which has become now like a habit. Otherwise, nothing, just breakfast and I'm done. So these days it's coffee with only Swiss milk. Huh? Swiss का हम दूध पीते हैं. Swiss की जो गाय मोटी मोटी होती है उसका दूध पीते हैं और उसकी कॉफ़ी पीते हैं. और then there is juice in the morning, first thing. After I'm done and leaving the house, it's a quick juice, maybe carrot, orange, whatever, mixture, whatever. So that's my breakfast. My lunch is usually white rice with दो सब्जियाँ, एक सूखी, एक तरी वाली. So like today I had lobia, chauli, as people know, with bhindi and white rice and little achar, and curd is a must. I love curd. If it is not curd, then it can be buttermilk, but dahi jani chahiye mere system mein. And around 5:30 I try to have my fruits, which is a very bad time because people say empty stomach you should have your fruits, but I prefer it as a sugar rush in the evening. Bhale uske benefits ho na ho. I am not the person who likes fruits, so I'm usually fed कि यार खा लो, फ्रूट्स खाने चाहिए. So that's usually if there is no break time, so 7:30 के आसपास फ्रूट्स खाते, जैसे मैंने आज खाया, with something like a savory, like कुछ नमकीन. तो मैंने थोड़ा सा एक वड़ा पाव का एक टेस्ट भी कर लिया. And if I'm home early, then I try to eat healthy. But if I'm home early, then I try to eat whatever I can within the time frame. से 7:30-8 के बीच में ना मैंने खा लिया जितना भी गंद खाना है. But since I just packed up and I feel like cheating, I might just go ahead and have some pizza and then have lots of green tea. Just सिर्फ अपने मन को तसल्ली देने के लिए. कुछ नहीं होता, कुछ भी नहीं होता और कुछ होगा भी नहीं. But since I'm a big and huge foodie, मैं जाके अपनी मन की तसल्ली के लिए खाऊंगी. See, listen, I am not that person who might just want to wake up and get these hunger pangs at about 12:31, ये वो. Very rare are those cases, but if I'm home early, I try to finish my meal by 8:30 and then strictly just have my green tea at 10:30, watch something and just crash. Otherwise, ऐसा होता है कि मेरी मील 10:30 हुई, मुझे कोई 12:30-1 बजे कभी भूख नहीं लगती. If I'm traveling, say I'm on a holiday and we've eaten early, I have eaten early dinner and I've packed the food, then I would love to just sit in front of my television or whatever I'm watching and on a holiday, but that's only on a holiday. Here it doesn't happen. वो दूसरे के जब बेड पे जाते हो बाहर के होटल रूम्स के बेड पे ना, वहाँ भूख ही अचानक से अलग सी लगती है. सुबह ब्रेकफास्ट के लिए भी आँख खुल जाती है जो वैसे यूजुअली नहीं खुलेगी 8:30 बजे, पर वैसे जैसे पता चलेगा बफे है, सब कुछ लगा है, ओहो. So that's the kind of madness I have for food. Listen, so these days I'm following Pilates. A lot of people have seen my videos and I really enjoy it. I see my body transforming clearly. बहुत ही अच्छी shape ले रहा है, and that's what Pilates does to me. So I tried to do it in the morning before shoot, but I feel very, very lazy. Some people enjoy it. कहते हैं कि they get that energy and then they're ready to shoot and all that. But I feel I get very drained after a Pilates class and I really want to just relax. So for some odd reason I enjoy it around 6:30 in the evening. ये सब मैं नहीं follow करती कि protein shake पी लिया and all that. Sorry, I'm not that kind of a person. I eat whatever I want to, clearly. And if I really want to cheat, I eat. ऐसा नहीं, no रोक टोक. Don't ask me this question. Somebody who's going to go and have pizza at 11 o'clock is ready to cheat any time of the day, any time of the day. So clearly I'm the wrong person to ask this. Listen, so the other day mom had made chole bhature. See, it's a no-no, like bhature at night, like tail se aise garma garam phoolte hue nikle and then you're having that. It is a sin. Who cares? Who cares? I try to, like, so the days I'm off, I run for a Pilates class. My teacher, Ruchi, I just message her, मैं आऊँ क्या class? And she'll say, come. Because I've started to enjoy this form of exercise. Had it been a simple workout at a gym, yuck. I mean, I'm the last person to do that. I love dancing. So it's either Zumba or it is Pilates. But it's more, these days is Pilates because I think I enjoy that. Listen, I tried this GM diet, but I was very young. Maybe I was doing Kabul Hai then. Not that I'm old now. बट शायद मैं कबूले के दिनों में GM किया था, जब एक दिन सिर्फ फल खाते हैं, दूसरे दिन सिर्फ सब्जियां खाते हैं. ऐसे कौन करता है? आई एम सॉरी बट पीपल हु फॉलो, हैट्स ऑफ. बट आई थॉट इट वाज रियली क्रेजी. आई देन फिगर्ड दैट आई थिंक just eat what makes you happy, which everybody will, a lot of people swear by, and somehow I think even I am very happy when I am kind of eating food that makes me happy. Listen, lots of people told me it's vodka tonic or vodka with water lime or something. I'm not a vodka person. They say if it's an aged wine, purani wine hoti hai pusalo wali, that is, one glass of it is very good for heart, but it has to be aged, like it's an aged wine basically. But those are expensive wines. So I think I would really enjoy with my meal. I enjoy wine, but these days I enjoy gin tonics. So I think gin tonic is also fairly decent alcohol drink. I think, I'm not sure यार वो ना नकली वाले नाचनी के चिप्स आते हैं सिर्फ हमें खुश करने के लिए कि वो नाचनी के चिप्स हैं, पर उसमें जो मसाले होते हैं ना उससे क्लियरली पता चलता है हेल्दी नहीं होते, बस सिर्फ अपने मन को खुश करने वाली बात है. आई एम हैविंग नाचनी चिप्स इन द इवनिंग. पोस्ट दैट आई कैन फील ऑल द मसालाज इन माई बॉडी. But I think I really enjoy that. Okay, so this is what I revealed about what I eat in a day. And I hope you don't follow half the things I told you all, because I think whatever makes you happy, just go by it. And there is no choice but to like, share and subscribe to Pink Villa Telly, Pink Villa and every Pink Villa page yaar. Kar do.